So, this is week 8 of being on Mounjaro. The 2.5 still. I'm going to be on that for, I think, 2 more months. 2.5.
Will it go up or down?
Huh?
Will it go up or down?
It should go up if I'm having trouble keeping my sugars level or under where they need to be. If my levels are under where they need to be, I don't know that they'll go up. So we'll have to see at my next appointment what my A1C is. Because it is for diabetes, not for weight loss. Lost a lot of weight, so I feel like that's going to help with my blood sugar levels. I'm also not eating sugar, so that helps too. So we'll see at my next doctor's appointment what my A1C is. And so I'm going to take the last shot in the box.
Thought we were nearly done.
Crazy. Yeah. All right.
Does it tickle?
I'm having trouble pulling that up.
Oh, well, that's a good new problem. Really? Wow.
I mean, it's stretch marks. It's not.
Wow.
I'm just gonna have to hope it does it, I guess.
It has to go into the fat? Could you scoot it over a little bit?
Maybe I could put it there.
Okay. I mean, you don't want it to mess up. All right. Well, that's a pretty good sales right there.
It's not for weight loss.
Yeah, but it is.
I mean, I think I can just push it on there and it should be fine.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna unlock
We will see, won't we? In the next video, you've gained 40 pounds.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm bleeding. Okay.
All right. How you feeling?
I feel good. So apparently from last week I was starting to get a little dizzy. It was not from the shot. I had sinus issues going on. I ended up sick for a couple of days because of it. But I feel fine now, and I was able to eat a little more yesterday, but I'm still not eating that much. I'm getting away with like 1 meal a day, and like a sugar-free snack here or there if needed. But yeah, I feel great. So I think my blood sugar is going to be under control. I think it's all going to be good. Last week, besides the dizziness, anything else?
No, that was it. But you're feeling good. What size clothes are you in?
A 4 to a 2.
From what?
From a, well,
You were already losing weight.
I was already losing weight, but in the beginning of all of this, before even the metformin, I was a 12. So I went from a 12 to like an 8 with the metformin, and then I've lost the rest of it with the Mounjaro. So in the last, I guess it's been 8 weeks, or almost, it's been 7 weeks. So on the Mounjaro. So I've gone from an 8 to an almost 2 in the last 7 weeks. So I've lost quite a bit more weight. I didn't weigh this morning, but I was 139 when I weighed 2 days ago. So that's not bad. Still overweight apparently for my height, but it is what it is. So yeah, but I feel great. Small shirts. Yeah, some extra smalls. No, you don't want to show that.
We have a mess.
But I'm cleaning stuff out.
Yep.
So anyway, but yeah, it's all good. Everything's great. No side effects at all. So, doing good.